Okay. The first is the joint probability function. It calculates the probability of scenario of the for the family. It checks how many genes they have. If they have no parents, it uses unconditional probability. Otherwise, it calculates the probability based on the parent genes and possible mutation. Then it multiplies by the probability of having the trait. This you can see. And finally, it multiplies probabilities for all people to get the joint probability. Next one is the update function. It adds the joint probability to the main probability table. For each person, it calculates the probability of having genes 0, 1, or 2, and also it whether they have trait or not. And this accumulates the probabilities from all possible scenarios. And the last one is the normalize function. It makes sure that all probabilities for each person sum to 1, and it divides each gene and trait probability by the total. This makes the probabilities valid and easy to interpret. Task 2. So I imported the pandas and the read dataset and created data frame. Then I deleted all non-numeric columns, and there is left only 21 columns. Then I take only that column that I will with that column that I work with that. So I created a new data frame, new array only with these columns, and then I clean it. I fill with 0 all non-values. Then I created the logical features for my model, like W means for weather, L represents the aircraft, T is traffic delay, S is security delay, and then I created the logical agent using if-else statement. The agent checks that I forgot this word. If the flight is cancelled or not cancelled, then I found the unconditional probability. Like this shows how often the flights are cancelled without any conditions. Then I found the conditional probability, like for example the chance of cancellation given the weather delay or traffic delay. This helps to understand how each feature affects the cancellation. The next one is the bias. I use the bias theorem. It calculates the probability of flight being cancelled given multiple conditions. I added smoothing to avoid zero probabilities. And the next one is the naive Bayes. It predicts cancellation using probabilities of all features together. It multiplies the probabilities of each feature for the cancelled or not cancelled classes. That it compares the result and chooses the class with the higher probability. And the last one is the function final model, which combined logical agent and naive Bayes. First, it checks the logical rules. If the rules predict cancellation, it outputs cancelled. If not, it uses the naive Bayes probability. If the probability is higher than 0.5, it predicts the cancelled. Otherwise, it predicts not cancelled. This allows to predict for new flights. And after running this final model, I calculate the accuracy, which is 0.93, which means that the model correctly predicted about 93% of the flights. This shows that combining logical rules and bias, it gives the very good results for predicting flight cancellations.